Hello everyone, welcome to Kalpana Nepalese kitchen. Today I'm going to make chicken momo, but you can always use any type of mince you want. I've got ingredients here for like momo stuffing. I've got 1 kilo chicken mince, but you can always choose any type of mince. 75-gram butter, very finely chopped spring onion and some coriander leaves, chopped onion, finely chopped cabbage, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt as per your taste, and some momo masala. So I've taken 1.5 tablespoon momo masala. You can always buy in Indian or Nepalese store. Chili powder as per your taste. Add all the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Onion, spring onion, cabbage, ginger garlic paste, momo masala, melted butter, salt as per your taste, and some chili powder as per your taste as well. It's really like optional. And mix it all like ingredients together. So mix it very well. And I'll just cover this and then like make the chutney. To make momo chutney, we'll roast chili and sesame seeds. So roast until sesame seeds starts popping and then gives slight brown color, and leave it on the side until it cools down. And then in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons full of oil and add cumin seeds and garlic. You can add onion if you like, but I haven't used any onion. And add chopped tomatoes. And you can cook until the tomatoes are done. Some salt as per your taste. You can see the tomatoes are cooked now. So I'll leave it on the side to cool down because we'll be grinding it later. In the grinder, so I'll put the roasted chili and sesame seeds and I'll grind it now. In that, I'll put some coriander leaves and some Szechuan pepper and the cooked tomatoes. Now I'll grind it again. Add some lemon juice and the tomato chutney is ready now. And then I'll wrap the dumplings now. So spray some oil in the steamer. And I've got the wrapper from Woolworths, but if you want to make it at home, then you can make wrap at home as well. Now put the stuffing in the wrap and then seal all the sides. You can make different shapes from them. Wrapped all the momos now, and then I've already boiled water here while I was wrapping. So I'll steam the momos for 20 to 30 minutes. Depends on the steamer as well. Now the tasty momos are ready. So you can always serve with chutney. I'll just put some chutney, green chilies, onion, chopped onion, and some freshly chopped coriander and serve it. Now I'll show you how to make kose momo as well from the same momos. So heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan, and then I'll fry those steamed momo into the pan. You can fry them before steaming as well, but like it's the chicken, so I wanted it really cooked, so I've done this way, but you can do either way. So fry until they're well done on all the sides. I've made sea momo in next video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon so that you'll get the notification for more videos. Thank you for watching the video. The kose momo is ready to be served as well.